Alright, I don't think I have a lot of time, so let's try to pick a easier problem. Warm up, implementation, dynamic. Let's do a game theory problem. Tower breakers. Two players are playing a game of tower breakers. Player 1 moves first. Both always do their best. Each turn, reduce its... Hmm, okay. Let's do a different one. Implementation. Okay, let's just do... No, because for this one we have to make every possible subarray. Electronics Shop. The most expensive computer keyboard within a given budget. If it is not possible to buy both items. Okay, so what I'm thinking is we make an array. What does it want to return the price? 9. Okay, so we make an array of acceptable prices. Okay, I have two arrays. How do I make every combination of pairs? Each pair has one item from array 1 and one from array 2. So, yeah, we have pairs and it needs to get one from each. Oh, okay. That's I remember doing this before now. So pairs equals this. Now they use a for x and y thingy. I'm just going to do for x in range, y in range, and then pairs dot append item 1, item 2. So it would be keyboards. So for x in range 0, length of keyboards. This one would be length of drives. There's a more effective way to do this, but this is the most straightforward logic I can think of, which is you make every possible combination, then you run a loop through it to make a new thing of all the possible ones. And then if it's empty, return -1. Okay. Python check if array is empty. Okay, so pairs dot append keyboards. Pairs dot append keyboards 1 plus drives. So keyboards of keyboards index x, and then drives index y. So now we have every possible pair. What was I doing down here? Oh yeah, that's right. I'm checking if to see if an array is empty. Okay, so you just do if. So to check if an array is empty, it's saying you just do if array. And then if it's full, it will return true. If it's false, it returns false if the array is empty. Then for x in range 0, length of pairs, if pairs, oops, let's do A just for safety. So if pairs of A is less than or equal to B, so in budget is another empty array. So if in pairs, so if pairs of A is less than or equal to B, then we are going to append it to pairs. Excuse me, I will come back. Alright, had to get my alarm. Okay, so in budget.append pairs. So now in budget has everything. So if in budget, oops. Okay, so if in budget, then return min of in budget. Wait, no, max. Because we want the most, he wants to spend all his money. Else, return -1. It worked! First try! Yeah, they all worked. Lovely. Alright, right on time. So here's our logic. First, we make every possible pair. Then we iterate through all the possible pairs to see all the ones which are in budget. Then we check to see if in budget actually has anything in it. If it does, we return the maximum in the in budget array. Otherwise, we return -1 as instructed.